Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a flip through of A Study in Lavender, the journal. This was super fun. I am using my collection, A Study in Lavender. It is available on Etsy, and it's very grungy, purpley, lavender, greens. Yeah, just a lot of fun. Scribbles and butterflies and lilies and lilacs and roses and everything. So I believe this cover is an Amazon packaging that I've wrapped in the papers from the collection, and it is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, 9x6, approximately 100 sides, lots and lots and lots of writing space. I have put a little label here with May 28th, 1923, but I left it open on the top so you could easily slide something else in there if you want to. So here's the front, here's the back. We have one of these little paper butterflies, are kind of like a somewhat chipboard. I've got some flat back pearls, and I'm sorry if I feel sound disjointed. This is the second time I'm recording because for some reason the camera wasn't on when I started talking. Just some lace and fabric on the spine, and yeah, this is fun. So I want to make sure that I'm on screen when I open this. This is when I found out I wasn't recording. So okay, so we have a front pocket here with some lace trim, plenty of ephemera. We've got a big big tag there, and then some journal cards. Love the butterflies. Nice, nice butterflies. Love it. So there's a little pink in there as well. Have a sneeze. It's allergy season. I will take out the sneezes. Oh my goodness. Took my allergy medicine this morning and I'm still sneezing and scratchy throat, so there are blossoms everywhere. Lots of butterflies. I did print these double-sided, and this has pockets, lace trim. I did some flat back pearls here. Here's some, everything is coffee dyed on the back, and that's from my coffee and lace collection that is also in my Etsy store. This one has lots of writing space. So fun, fun, fun. Get in there. I've used different papers from my collection as well as these papers that are in my stash. Just and some coffee dyed paper. Here we have a corner tuck with some lace and flat back pearls, a pocket tag with a little journal card in there as well. I did have a fussy tear sheet with this collection, so you'll see a lot of fussy tears in this book. There is a tan page. Here is another journal page. I printed these back to back. Like I said, lots of writing space. I think this is a Victoria Designs, and music paper. This is one of the background pages in the A Study of Lavender collection. I've done a double pocket page here and just put a bunch of little, this is a little booklet in there, and a journal card, butterfly with the flat back pearls, today is a good day, and then here again we have a little booklet and another little journal card. Lots and lots of journal cards. Another tan page. Another journaling, well, I would say A Study in Lavender page, coffee dyed page. Like I said, I think that's Victoria Designs. I'm pretty sure this is Artie Mae's, not sure. We have a flip here where I have just used a coffee dyed cardstock flip and then just added some of the background pages to it. We have a tag with a butterfly and some lavender, and then some line page, graph paper. Here's an envelope, and this envelope is using one of the background pages. I printed the background on one side, coffee dyed on the other. It just has some coffee dyed cardstock inside, journal index card size. And then I've just done a little cluster here with the butterfly. It says keep moving forward. So I've got that tucked over this pocket and using just a simple seam binding on a paper clip to hold that in place. And then on this side we have a little butterfly journal card. I have some tracing paper in here. I just love the sound of that. And then I really am in love with this collection. It just makes me happy every time I look at it. Another Victoria design background, and another one of my backgrounds. Here's a belly band from one of the ephemera pages. I always have a strip at the bottom, and I always like to turn those into belly bands. There's another journal card. You can journal on both sides of that, and another tag. Love it. Okay, little ledger page, another tan paper, another Study in Lavender page, and here is a Victoria design page. Now on this one, I didn't do this one on camera, but basically I had a fussy cut page, and I just cut out all the squares and made pockets with them, and then I took the small tags that came on the ephemera page and added a tab to the top and just put those in these pockets here. So I'm not going to take them all out because they're all the same. They're coffee dyed on the back. And then here's the center. I've just tied a piece of lace in there a la Gail Agostinelli. And like I said, 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Lots of little journal sections, and that's what I like. Not big blank pages. I like to have little places to journal. This is my personal preference. Another background page with an opposite of the same type of pocket pages. Love these fussy cuts. I really like the way this design turned out. It's one of the first times that stuff came out of my head and actually got onto the paper. I struggle with that sometimes in my designing. So another tan page and a ledger page. Here's a horizontal belly band with the purple roses, another tag with the lily and some teal butterflies. Every once in a while, throw some different colors in there. But this was a study in lavender, so which reminds me, I am finishing up a study of pink, so it should be coming out either by the end of, well, today's Friday when I'm recording this, so either this weekend or by the end of next week I should have that available in my Etsy store, and we will start working with that one. So yeah, I think this is one of my favorite pages. Very simple. I like it. And then here's another one of those envelopes with the journal card tucked and the seam binding paper clip. Cluster, Cultivate Kindness. Inside is an index card, coffee dyed index card. The graph paper. And I had, like I said, there was a whole page of these, so the leftover ones I added on these tags because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with them. This is a flip. Uh-oh. It is a glued, there we go. Yeah, it was glued down. Find joy in the ordinary. So, there we go. And that is on the Artie Mays page, Victoria design, my design, Study in Lavender, and tan paper. I bought a ream of this tan paper off Amazon. Double pocket page. Here again, I've just got the small journal cards and these little journal booklets. These were journal cards I just made into booklets. Nothing fancy doing there. Same thing down here. I just took a journal card. This was actually this way, and I folded it this way. It could go either way you want. So, and then I had another fussy cut that I just put on this pocket because it was kind of plain, and I have Don't Forget to Fly there. Then we have music page and the coffee dyed backing to the Victoria designs. I'm pretty sure, and now I'm second guessing myself, but I think because of these staples, that's why I'm thinking it's Victoria design. But Study in Lavender, tan page. I'm trying to use up this tan paper. Here's another pocket tag there again, lots of journaling spaces, and this is a tuck spot so you can get bigger things in that pocket. And then we have this page, Fisher and Brothers Approved Housekeepers, something, from some advertisement. Another fussy cut on this tag, and then these beautiful lilies. I just love very much watercolor. I was going for the watercolor style. So, and then we have this page, and then in the back pocket I've just stuck a bunch of extra journal cards in there. All of them are coffee dyed on the back, and the giant tag like that as well. So a little bit of burgundy in here as well, and some teal, but mainly lavender and green. And then there's the back side with the big butterfly and some grungy scribbles, and there we go. So I hope you guys followed along while we were making this. I know it took me all month of February, so I'm just March 1st when I'm getting around to filming this, but yeah, it was a work of love, and I didn't want to rush it. So we will be back with the study in pink. If you have a color that you would like me to study, quote, leave them in the comment section, and I will let you know. I'm going to do as many colors as I can, at least 12 coming up. So because I have a tendency to stay in my pinks and blues and you know, in the same genre and the same colorway, and I'm trying to break out a little bit. So that's why I did purple. Purple's not necessarily a go-to for me. I'm a pink and baby blue, but yeah, this was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it. So this will be available in my Etsy store soon. Look for it there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.